Hello, fifth grade. All right, so let's go over a couple of questions that were not on your Kahoot last night. All right, so one of the first questions is explain the terms acceleration, velocity, deceleration, and how are they related? Go sit down, please. All right, so explain the terms acceleration, velocity, and deceleration. Will? Velocity is speed and direction. A change in velocity is speed. No, acceleration. I apologize. All right, so a deceleration is a special kind of acceleration. Change in your speed, right? All right. Hold on, I'm sorry. You need to be quiet. They are all related because speed and direction. Force has to be applied. Oh. Okay. All right, so that is acceleration, velocity, and deceleration and how they're all related. While wearing rollerblades, you push against a wall. Use Newton's third law of motion to explain what happens next. Caitlin, nice and loud. Hello, people. Okay. Hello, Caitlin. You're there. Okay. So if you push the wall with the rollerblade, the wall will bring back force, which is called okay. Action. The action will push the wall. Hold on just a moment, Caitlin. Everyone in your class is not listening. Yeah, Caitlin sees this. Okay. Tate, please leave your hands down. Girls, put that away, please. Okay. Caitlin, try again with your answer. Okay, so if you push the wall will give the action back to you, or action, because you're wearing rollerblades. Yeah, and the wall. So if you push on the wall will push you back with force. Yes. Okay, so when you push on the wall, that is the action. And the wall pushes back on you, which is the reaction. So if I push on that wall over there. With rollerblades on. Oh, he's up there. Okay, so you will roll away from the wall because of Newton's third law, which is that for every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. So your pushing the wall is the action. Pushing you back is the reaction. Okay, so object A is pushed with 5 newtons of force. Object B is pushed with 10 newtons of force. Both objects move the same distance. Is the mass of object B greater or less than the mass of object A? Explain. Okay. So you're going to call it Tate this time, nice and loud, Tate. Greater, because you have to push a lot, because you have to use a lot more newtons to be able to push it at the same speed as the smaller object. All right, so it has more what? Mass. Very good. Okay, so because it has more mass, it requires more force to go the same distance as something with less mass. The space shuttle are positioned with their backs to the bottom of the shuttle during liftoff. Why does this make sense? Alyssa? No, I don't remember. It's because the force is flowing downward and upward. Okay, so you said because the force is up and down. Not quite right, Layla? What? All right, Will, nice and loud. Because when you're going fast enough, you
get pushed back.
When you're going fast enough, you get pushed back.
So laying on your back is the most safest and most comfortable.
Therefore, laying on your back as you accelerate is the safest and most comfortable way to do that. Very good. All right, excellent. Okay, let's see here. All right, I've got one more question for you, but it required me to draw a little picture, so just give me a second here.
I like drawing. Do you like drawing?
Okay.
She likes taking pictures. Oh my God!
All right. Quiet, please. Hello.
Oh my God! I take part of it.
Excuse me. Please be quiet. Thank you. Okay, so this picture here, grid. I want you all to come and stand in front of my desk so you can, nope, that would be behind the desk, Caitlin.
Oh.
In front of the desk so you can see the grid.
Wow, boy, I can't see the grid.
So,
I'm one of the smaller people.
if you remember, yes, lotion on my desk. If you remember, we talked about the grids. We talked about the airplanes going from one grid to the next, right?
1 second.
So, it is, but this,
Stop, Tate. I got it.
But this is just a grid to make sure that you know how to read them, okay?
Read.
Okay, so if I asked you which city is in N12, which city would it be? Everybody?
Montgomery.
Very good. And if I said, what is Atlanta in? L16. Very good. Okay. So that's how you do that. There's a question about that on your test. Everybody come over here and give a wave to yourself. Tate, moving out.
Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin.
Wave to your later selves. Goodbye, Caitlin. Goodbye, Tate. Goodbye, Caitlin. There we go. Out you go. Out you go. Come wave at your later self. We'll see you later tonight. Goodbye. Mason, come wave to your later self. Come wave to your later self. Bye, Phil. Very good. Excellent. Wave. There you go.
Bye, Caitlin.
All right, go sit down, please. One of your bonus questions will be, what is it that Doug the Pug says on my calendar this month? What is it? To eat the cheese puff, you must become the cheese puff. So there's an extra bonus question if you're paying attention and listening very carefully. And that is the end of our video. Goodbye to our future selves.
Bye to my future self.